Woodpeckers are small to medium-sized birds with chisel-like beaks, short legs, stiff tails, and long tongues used for capturing insects. Some species have feet with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, while several species have only 3 toes. Many woodpeckers have the habit of tapping noisily on tree trunks with their beaks. There are about 20 species of woodpeckers in Thailand. The scientists confirmed that woodpeckers are pretty good at protecting their head and brains by using a few special tricks. Woodpeckers varying the path of their pecks. By moving their beaks around more, woodpeckers minimize brain damage in specific areas. Woodpeckers' skulls are more flexible because of the plate-like bones. That helps to minimize the damage of all that pecking. So, woodpeckers have a special bone that acts like a seat belt for its skull. It's called the hyoid bone, and it wraps all the way around a woodpecker's skull. Every time the bird pecks, the hyoid acts like a seat belt for the bird's skull and the delicate brain it protects. Even the woodpecker's beaks help. A woodpecker's upper beak is longer than its lower beak, kind of like an overbite. But when you look inside, you find that the lower beak actually has a longer bone. The lower beak bone ends up taking on the majority of strain. This helps to absorb impact while pecking and puts the strain on the body instead of the brain. A woodpecker's skull is like an internal bike helmet to keep its brain from getting hurt. Scientists even think some of the things they found out about woodpeckers can be used to make better helmets. Maybe one day your head will be as well protected from damage as a woodpecker's brain. Woodpeckers you can find in Thailand and most other countries in Southeast Asia are listed here.